Hello everyone, welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. This is Saili, your yoga expert. So today we are going to see some very nice eye exercises which will help you to maintain your eye health. As with the time being, many people are facing problems with their eyesight due to the excess use of mobile and laptops. So these exercises will help you to relax your eyes and maintain their good health. Next we will do eyesight again, looking to your left corner and right corner. As we in the first thing we were looking up and down, now we will just look here and here. Straight away we will just look here and there. Okay. So first relax, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, deep breath out, sit straight, roll your shoulders back, look in front and then left, right, left, right, left, right, in the middle and close your eyes. Same thing, you can repeat this for 10 times in 10 rotation, and again this you can do with thumb also. I will show it in the next exercise. Take your thumb. Now we will again do the exercises with our thumb. We will look at the tip of our thumb and we will just rotate our thumb like this. We will rotate our hand from our shoulder like this and we will keep looking. Our neck will be straight. We will not move our neck. We will just move our eyeball. Okay. So keep like this, sit straight and start moving your thumb. You will not move your neck. Focus. Wherever you will reach, try to be there sometime and gently take it back. Take down. Other hand, take in the middle. Same way, start doing it. Neck will be in the middle, just you will move your eyeball. Again in the middle. Slowly hand down, close your eyes. You can do this for 5 repetitions with each hand. So this will also give good massage to your eyeballs from all the sides. As we have done with the up, down corner, left and right side, we will now do down and up. So just sit straight, look down and up. Down and up. You can do it with thumb also, just you have to take the thumb up and down. You will not move your neck, you will just move your thumb up and down. You will keep it straight, take it down, take it up as much as you can. Okay, now we will do rotation. So look in front first and you will start moving your eyeballs in a circle. As you are seeing a circle and you are following it, you will start doing that. So from down we will start first, left, move, up, side, down. Make a circle and keep moving your eyes. After doing all this exercise, you will start feeling, in the first do only, you will start feeling a little pain and pressure near your eyesight, like near your eyebrows, your forehead. Gently close your eyes. You can do this in clockwise and anti-clockwise, like clockwise and anti-clockwise, both the ways for 5 times. So this will also help you a lot to improve blood circulation near your eyesight. Now the last one we will do, just squeezing our eyes and opening them wide. Okay. So look in front, squeeze, open, squeeze, open, squeeze your eyes, open. So this gives massage and stretch your eyes in the middle as we don't do this. So try doing all these exercises at your home, and also people who have number like high number, consult with your doctor, and people who have some problem with their eyes, try to take first doctor suggestion and then you can go for these exercises. Keep doing these exercises, watch the video, like, share and subscribe. Share this video with people who need out there. Thank you for watching my video.